keep our country free. I'll wear a little poppy as red can be, to show that I remember